guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I needed to come in here and show you all some Colourpop stuff that I got. I did a big Colourpop haul. If you have been on my Instagram, you know that because I posted a picture. But yeah, so I just, you know, I always have to like show you guys before I put things away, so it gives me like motive to film, so that way I can put my stuff away and not just have it sitting out. But yeah, so I got quite a few things actually. They had a big sale where a lot of stuff was like 20 to 40% off, and then if you spent $50 you got a palette, so that was pretty exciting, and I just wanted to like show you guys what I got because I'm excited. The first thing is the biggest thing. I got some eyeshadows. Of course, these aren't all of them. It's just like these 10 over here. So like not this one, but these two and these, well, not these two. This bottom one here, and then these 9. So I'll show you all of them because, you know, that's what I do. Actually, yeah, we're gonna have to like take my coat off and swatch them on my arm because the swatches on my hands like haven't quite come off completely, and I don't want to give you guys the false impression. So we're just gonna swatch them on my arm. So I have some of these before and I really like the formula, so I wanted to get some more colors, and they were on sale for $2.80, so I could not pass them up. The first shade is Conundrum. It's this beautiful chocolatey brown color. Looks like this, and I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's a matte shade. Looks like this. Really pretty. That's Conundrum. I used some of these on my eyes today. Actually, I have all Colourpop on the top of my eyes, not the bottom, but just the top. This next one is Facet. I used pretty much all the mattes that I got. This one is like more of a purpley undertone. It looks like that. Really pretty. Of course, matte. The next one is not a matte. It is a shimmer. It is in the shade Tea Garden. It's one of their duochromes. So if you can see that, it's kind of like green, but it has like a red reflect to it. So it's very pretty. So like you can see that it's kind of like green with that red reflect. Hopefully you guys can see the reflection. And then I got a beautiful gold shade called Two Birds. Looks like this. Super pretty. These are really buttery and really pigmented. See that? Really pretty. I'm gonna run out of room in no time. I have to wipe them off. And then we have just like a nice brow bone shade. I think I actually put this on my brow bone today. It's called Take It Slow. It's not like crazy like foily, but it has like a nice shine to it, and it's a lighter shade. Probably you can't see the swatch very well. You can kind of see the shine. The next one is the last matte shade that I got. It is Top Notch. It looks like this, so it's like a more medium. I'll swatch it up by the two other mattes that I got. So this is the top one. Can you guys see it next to it? We got 4 more. Yeah, that's 6 so far. 4 more. The first one does not look quite what it looked like in the picture. It's called Rosé All Day. It has more green to it than it did in the picture. It looked more golden, but it's okay. I'm sure I'll get good use out of it. Can you see that? Next is what I have on my lids today. It's probably my favorite shade that I got. It looks like this. It's Glass Bull, and it is duochrome as well. I really like their duochromes. I had one before and I lived for it. I'm running out of room here. So that's what it looks like. Super pretty and duochrome-y. Very stunning. We're coming up with this last shade. No, I have 2 more shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 2 more shades. I'm gonna swatch them together. It is Snake Eyes, which looks like this, and Paper Crane. So here's Snake Eyes and Paper Crane. How can I do this? Snake Eyes, Paper These are, it was like so hard to swatch there because like all my arm hairs and whatnot, but you get the idea. Really pretty. Ugh, I don't want to wipe all this off. Oh, lovely, the mattes are staining. Anyways, okay, so that was the single shadows that I got. I got a lipstick and lipstick and an eyeliner, and I'm just gonna like do those really fast so we can get them out of the way. One of them is an ultra satin lip. It's the Laura Lee and Colourpop collab. I didn't realize that I was getting her collab. I mean, of course I support Laura Lee. I watch a lot of her videos. I just didn't realize that this was part of her collab. So it's their collab with the No Kill Shelter. No, I think that's what it's called. So like the animal shelter. It's in the shade Bam, and it's the ultra satin. Really pretty reddish. It's what I have on my mouth right now. I just think it's really pretty, and this is it dried down. And then I got a cream gel liner. I have so many of these. You guys saw in my 2017 favorites that I love these, but this time I got like a nude shade. I have like a white one, but it's a little too harsh. That was the word I was trying to look for in that video, was harsh. I was like, it's too something, like, but it's harsh. It's just a cream. You probably can't see it next to that red, but it's just like a cream one for your waterline. And then I got some more. I got a palette, and then they had a special where if you spend $50 you got another palette. So I got the Yes Please palette, which is the ever popular one. It says cute AF on the front. It has 12 shadows inside. Looks like this. Super pretty, super up my alley. I love yellows, oranges, and the red kind of scheme. I live for orange. I mean, I'm not afraid of color at all. I love color, but I live for like some like orange. Like, I don't go for like browns and like beiges. I live for like orange and like red and yellow. So I'm gonna swatch just a couple of these. We're gonna go for the orange one, like the matte one, the brown matte. We'll go for this shimmery shade, yellow, and I guess the gold. These aren't as good, I think, as the singles. Let me just, that's the yellow. I haven't put them on my eyes yet. I mean, I'm sure they're a lot better on the eyes, but just like swatching them, they're not as good as I expected, I guess, because I'm so used to the single shadows, and those are really bomb. These just aren't as pigmented, I guess. They're still pretty soft, and some of them are pigmented, like that one right there is really nice, and this orange one, but you know, it's okay. They're hits and misses, I guess. I'm not disappointed. I think I paid like $12 for it. It was on sale or whatever, so not too angry, just kind of like, oh, okay, it's not quite what I expected, you know. And then the last palette is the Golden State of Mind palette. It looks like this. It has 15 eyeshadows in it, and they are all glitter. All glitter. I was really excited for this. I was like, ooh, I bet that's real pretty. But after having it, it's like, they're like pressed pigments, but they're not like, they're very chunky. Does that make sense? Like, here, I'll swatch. Like, you can see on there, hopefully, if it'll focus, like the fallout kind of that it's got going on. Like, hopefully you can see there, like, the chunkiness. Like, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's super pretty color, and I'm going to get some use out of it. I just didn't expect it to be that chunky. And some of them are like just like that. Like, they stay chunky. They don't blend into a smooth kind of color. But still, I'm hoping I can get some good use out of this nonetheless. Like, that one isn't really pigmented. Like, can you see it up there? I mean, it looks better on camera, but in person, they're just kind of chunky. But don't get me wrong, I'm still going to work my best with them and hopefully make them work. They're just not like the single shadows. So if you expected them to be like that and you order it, it's not going to meet your expectations. So yeah, that is my little baby Colourpop haul. I got 10 eyeshadows, 2 palettes, a lipstick, and a liner. I definitely love Colourpop stuff and how far they've come. I live for their ultra satin lips. They're so comfortable. Like, they don't dry down too harshly. They just look really pretty. They're the only thing is that it's when you order from them, what you get isn't necessarily what you ordered. Like the color payoff wise, like I've gotten lip liners before that are way darker than like what it looked like in a picture, so you gotta like look up swatches of that. But otherwise it's really good. And I mean, I can show you like all the Colourpop stuff I have. If you want to see something like that, leave a comment down below. Just be like, hey Kyla, show me your Colourpop, because I have like a ton of eyeshadows. The single like super soft shadows, I had 2 blushes, like a bunch of lip liners, eyeliners, lipsticks, like the lippy sticks, and the ultra mattes, ultra satins. Like I have a bunch. So if you just want to see that, like a swatch video, so that way you can know what you're getting, because some of them are not true to color, just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to do that for you. Okay. Yeah, just thank you guys so much for watching. If you want like a more in-depth like tutorial with one of these, you can say that too in the comments, and I'd be happy to do that for you too, because obviously I'm going to like use them, so I mean I can film it while I'm doing it, okay? Just let me know, alright? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because when I hit 100, Landon's going to let me do his makeup, okay? So don't forget. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.